All right. Now this is for Albert, and what we noticed was a lot of the songs that we are playing is just has like the G for two measures, and then the C for two measures, and the D for two measures. But it doesn't always work out that way, so we have to be very quick with our left hand chord changes from G to C to D, C to D. It doesn't matter where it's going. We have to be able to say the chord and switch it. So I'm going to say Wabash Cannonball chords. I'm going to call them out. Okay, I'm going to go G, C, D, back to G. Now when we play this progression, it has 12 beats of G like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, up to C, 2, 3, 4. So you notice there was only C, 2, 3, 4, D. So we have to have our changes so we can switch them, and we have to know how long that change lasts. So for good exercise, would just be to go C to D, C to D, C to D, before you practice that Wabash Cannonball, because that's the fast change there. There's another fast change in one of the other songs we did. I can't remember which one it was now. But so whatever changes happen with, let's say, one chord is on, only goes for 4 beats, and then there's another chord change after that. Those chord changes have to be practiced a little bit more, a little harder than the 2 and 4 measure chord changes, because you got plenty of time to think about those. These ones that happen in just one measure, they need to be practiced more. So like I said, you can even go the 2 measures. You can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, G, G, C, 2, 3, 4, D, D, C, 2, 3, 4, D. Because you're just practicing the C and the D, because that's the hard change. All right, and what else is there? So change that. We wrote down some times to practice. Once you review your chord changes themselves, just the changes of the chords with your left hand, then we are going to practice them counting the measures to the beats per minute. So we'll set the metronome to those beats per minute, and then we'll practice along with them. Also, try if you can get to the point of just knowing how long a measure is, so you can count the measures one by one instead of each actual beat of the measure, like Wabash Cannonball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, then C, 2, 2, 3. So if you can get to the point where you go G, 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 C, D. Once you know that a measure sounds like this, that 2 measures sounds like this, right? And 3 measures sound like 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we're going to do is we're going to start trying to see if we can feel the 4 beats of a measure. It would be nice if we didn't have to count out each beat each time. That's how we learn rhythm. And then once we're there, once we've counted each beat out and practice like that, we need to work towards just feeling the measure itself for right now. Sometimes chords will change in the middle of a measure, and then you might have to count out the individual beats. But for right now, we'll work on counting the measures. It's like G, 2, 3, then C, then D, 2, 3, then G, then third line, 2, 3, C, D. All right, so we just kind of work on being able to hear that and feel it. All right, feel how long a measure is, and how long 2 measures is, and etc.